To format a map, go to the Edit option, and from the Edit, select the Formatting tab, and in the Formatting tab you will have three options: Map Setting, Map Series, and Value Legends. So in the Map Settings, in first section you can see that there is a settings related to the appearance, where you can set the appearance of your map. So where you will have various other options available. So where we can select natural earth and hit preview, and you will see that the appearance of the chart has been changed to the natural earth. And same way, if I set it to the orthographic, hit preview, and we will see that the map will change to the orthographic. We can apply the title to the map, regional sales, and you can apply the font properties. You can also set the zoom levels. You can also enable the small maps and their alignment and other background color properties. Same way, if I go to the map series, I can do the changes, or I can apply the formatting related to the series. I can exclude any map. So for an example, and here if I add USA, on hover I would like to change the color to green. I can also enable the heat legends from here. I can set the tooltip, and in case if I have any legends, then I can apply the formatting to the value legends as well. So now hit preview, and we will see that the formatting has been applied. I can reposition this. I can zoom in, zoom out, and if I click on this home, this will take me to the actual size. So this way you can apply the formatting to the map.